If you like to film with your Action camera or even with your mobile phone, this is a flexible arm that works as a clamp. You can wrap it around a tree or a pole. You can hold it out however you want. You can even make a little makeshift tripod with it. This thing is very strong, easy to contort and get the angle that you want. I actually like using this as a selfie stick because it sticks up enough. That way the selfie stick is not in the shot. But yeah, you could put your Action camera on there. It does come with the quarter thread to Action mount top, so you can put it on there, but you'll have a quarter thread on the top and even a female quarter thread at the bottom, so you can attach it to other things as well. One of the things I love about this one versus any other ones is the bigger grip here at the bottom. This just makes it a lot easier to hold. If you're gonna hold it this way, it just makes it a lot more comfortable in your hand as well, and it's also flexible too. So this whole thing is flexible, really great. You can wrap it around whatever you need to get shots in the most random spots. Also great for wrapping it around maybe like a pole if you want to do a time lapse of a city scene or something like that. Very high quality, probably one of the best I've seen, and HSU makes the best accessories for Action cameras. So highly recommend this, and thanks for watching.